Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this information. Today is Thursday, 14th of July 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 karats gold without VAT is 207.01 and with VAT is 238.06. 22 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 190.04 and with VAT is 218.55. 21 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 181.13 and with VAT is 208.30. 18 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 155.26 and with VAT is 178.55. 14 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 121.10 and with VAT is 139.27. 10 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 86.32 and with VAT is 99.27. 6 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 51.75 and with VAT is 59.51. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.